These are just some of our amazing CNA students at Florida Training Academy. Every smile, every skills check, every moment you are here represents growth, confidence, and a future being built one step at a time. When you train with us, you're going to be challenged. You're going to learn real hands-on skills. You're going to practice until your confidence grows. And more importantly, you're going to become the kind of caregiver that patients remember. At Florida Training Academy, we don't just teach people how to pass a test. We teach future caregivers how to walk into a room with knowledge, compassion, and confidence. If you hang around us long enough, you're going to start believing in yourself on a whole different level. You're going to learn more, push harder, dream bigger, and realize that your goals are possible. Your future can change with one decision, one class, one opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Your future depends on you calling right now. Call us today at 904-551-0918 or visit us online at fltraining.com.